Thank you for your interest in the Private Practice Starter Kit. This kit has been especially designed for women who are wanting to begin a private practice, or for those of us who are already in one but unsure if we have all of the right forms. What you get in this bundle is you get a collection of forms that are essential for your private practice, including things that are often overlooked but legally required nonetheless, such as your website terms of service, your website privacy policy, your standard privacy policy, SOAP notes, client intake forms, EAP agreements, all of those kinds of things. In addition to that, I've also created for you a resource hub, and this has been broken down into categories based on industry. So we have color coded those for you into social work, counseling, psychology, coaching, and miscellaneous. So you can easily jump in there and navigate your way around to all the different tools and resources. It's a one-stop shop. This is a resource hub for you. In addition to that, there are also some bonuses. You can buy the kit as it is at the moment. I think it's just $47. If you would like help with the kit and you would like some support in customizing all of the forms, so all of the forms can be customized. They're created in Word format for you so that you can brand them and you can infuse your own values and your own flavor into them so that they truly and deeply reflect your practice values. But if you'd like support with that, if that's not your thing and you need somebody to help you, you can upgrade and you can purchase a VIP packet and I will help you with that, okay? I will help you with the customization. We'll do it together. I'll take it off your plate for you. It will be my pleasure to do that. This kit is not for somebody who feels like she's already dotted her I's and crossed her T's and she's already got everything. That's not for you. It's not for you. You probably just don't need it. If you get stuck or if you have any questions at all about the kit, how to access it, what's involved, just reach out and let me know. You can do that by emailing me. My email address is hello@brooklynstorm.com. Your results are my results, so let me make this process of getting your essential documentation and forms together as simple and easy as possible. Thanks. Have a beautiful day. Talk to you later. Bye.